Your power meter is useless if your zones are wrong, but you don't need a painful lab test to fix them. Most runners dread the FTP test, that brutal 20-minute all-out effort. But here is the truth. If you dread the test, you won't do it often enough. This leads to stale data. You end up training based on fitness you had 6 months ago, not the fitness you have today. Let's fix that without the suffering. First, understand what we are trying to find. Critical power, CP, or FTP is just your fitness ceiling for steady running. Method 1 is the smart friend approach. Let the algorithm do it. Platforms like Stryd or Garmin auto-detect your CP based on your last 90 days of running. For this to work, you just need variety. If you mix sprints, long runs, and tempo efforts, the software builds a power duration curve that is often more accurate than a single test day. Method 2 is for the racers. If you recently raced a 5K, you have the best data available. It is real-world performance, not a simulation. Now, how do you actually use this? Beginners often get overwhelmed by 5 or 7 zones. Simplify it. You only need 3 buckets to start training effectively. Sanity, check your numbers with the talk test. Power is objective, but your physiology varies daily. If your easy zone, watts leave you breathless, the zone is wrong. Remember, accuracy comes from consistency, not precision. A specific number like 250 watts is actually a moving target that shifts with sleep, stress, and weather. Pick one method today, either auto-detect or a recent hard run estimate, and stick with it for a month. Don't chase the perfect number, chase consistent training. Set your zones today, trust the data, and just run.